Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, guys, I will be showing you how you can set up Mailchimp landing page. It's a very quick and easy tutorial, so follow me as I'm doing it. First, click on Create. Once you've done that, go ahead and choose landing page and give it a name. Let's name it YouTube landing page. Audience, make sure to pick your audience and click on Begin. Now, as I'm doing it, all you need to do is to start the design. First, we select a template. In case you have the premium version, you will have a larger library than the one that is shown right in front of me. In case you are the free version, then you will have as short as this one, or similar to it, or basically exactly as it is shown to me. Here I'm going to pick the first one, and from there, what I'm going to do is few couple of things. Basically, editing the layouts, editing the contents, and editing the colors so it matches my brand. This is something that every single one of us must do and must be able to. Here we have the blocks, and here we have the colors. Also, guys, make and put attention that there is a footer that contains the Intuit Mailchimp logo. To remove it, you have to pay for the free trial, as you can see right here, or get basically the premium version. These things are what you have to do in case you would like to design and have a good looking template or a landing page for your Mailchimp. Of course, you can add text, you can add images, you can edit everything in here, remove stuff, add stuff, and adjust it as you want. Once you're done, click on Save and Close, and everything will be good to go for you. Now it is saving, and as you can see, the landing page has been created successfully. All is left to do is to publish it, and you'll be good to go. So that was it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you do have any more questions or problems, make sure to mention them in the comment section. We read them all, and we try our best to give you the solution. See you guys in the next video.